Patuloy na nagbibigay serbisyo. Pag-asa at saya. GMA Regional TV. Kapuso ng bawat Pilipino. Kini ang At Home with GMA Regional TV.
Maayong buntag mga kapuso all over Mindanao. Atong kamustahon atong mga kapuso sa Bislig City ug Tandag City sa Surigao del Sur Province. Sa maayong buntag.
Maayong buntag sab Jill, ato sab kumustahon ang atong mga kapuso sa Bayugan City ug Veruela sa Agusan del Sur Province. Mga kapuso, karong buntaga atong kamustahon ang usa ka OFW nurse nga nagtrabaho karon sa Amerika. Human siya nagpabakuna kontra COVID-19. Si Michael Ray Ungab nga taga-Tagulwan dinhi sa Misamis Oriental.
Samtang saya ato sabsayron ang mga proyektong pangkalambuan ug collaborative efforts sa nasod Indonesia ug mga lugar sa Mindanao. Pinaagi ni Consul General Dicky Fabrian sa Consulate General of the Republic of Indonesia in Davao City. Ug sa Best Talk, makauban at Resi ang newest kapuso artist, Gabriel Han.
Una ka na mga kapuso, nasayod ba mo kung asa makita ang biggest Fantasyland theme park sa Visayas ug Mindanao? Anaa kini dinhi sa Mindanao, partikular sa Dapitan City, Zamboanga del Norte Province.
Ginadayo gayud sa mga gusto mag-relax ug malingaw ang sobra 30 rides sa maong theme park sama sa train ride, carousel, the Galleon Ship, World of War ug uban pa. Dunasay live entertainment performances ug grand night parade shows ug ang ginaatangang fireworks display. Mamahimo sab nga mag-shopping sa maong theme park. Mga kapuso, karong buntaga atong mas palawman pa ang atong kahibalo labot sa mga partnership o collaboration sa nasod Indonesia ug mga lugar sa Mindanao alang sa seguridad ug pangkalabuan. Kauban si Consul General Dicky Fabrian sa Consulate of the Republic of Indonesia in Davao City. Consul General Fabrian, maayong buntag. Good morning and welcome to At Home with GMA Regional TV. How are you doing, sir?
So, selamat pagi, maayong buntag. A very good morning to all Mindanaoan this morning.
Sir, what is the role of the Indonesian consulate in Mindanao and why specifically have the consulate situated here in Davao City?
My jurisdiction as the Consul General of Indonesia is covering not only Mindanao, but also Sulu Islands and Tawi-Tawi Islands. So in this area, there are around 10,000 Indonesian citizens and Indonesian diaspora coming here since back to 20th centuries, early 20th centuries, and most of them right now are either the fourth generation or the fifth generation of the Indonesian. Some of them prefer to become Filipino, and some of them also still wants to become Indonesians. That's one of the role of our mission here in the Mindanao. And our presence here in Mindanao, in Davao City, has been here in Davao, our Consulate General, since 1953. So now years is our 68 years of existence in Mindanao, especially in Davao City. We understand that the biggest city so far in Mindanao is Davao, and most of our Indonesian national living nearby Davao City, like in Jensan, in General Santos City, or even in Tupi or Glan, or even in Sultan Kudarat. There are 8 provinces that our community exists in Mindanao.
Sir, do you see any cultural similarities between Mindanaoans and Indonesians that can help facilitate collaboration between your country and Mindanao?
We are coming from the same people. We call it Malay people. Jill, if you don't talk with me, or if I don't talk with you, we just keep silent. We just look alike. We just resemble to each other, you know. Our typical face and our prototype of our skin, we are the same actually. But again, now being a different country, we have different culture, slightly different. So the hospitality that we have, that you have also here, just look alike. We are coming from the extended family. We love to live together with our family, the extended family, and our. You have gong, we have gong also. You have kulintang, we have kulintang also. Actually, we are quite resemble to each other, and only the new territory of the different country that make us different.
And sir, just recently your office launched the program Reconnecting Manado Davao Trade Cooperation. What can Davaoenos expect from this program?
Right, Jill. Before the COVID, we have the air connection between Davao and Manado. With this connection, it will make easier for us between people from the two countries to visit each other, you know, to connect with each other, to take the opportunity to have more goods of Indonesia coming to Mindanao, or vice versa. Some of your famous product, we would like to have it real soon. So because of the pandemic, the connection is halt for a temporary. Now we would like to have, you know, to fulfill this point, to have not only the air connection revive, but also to have cargo, air cargo from the two countries.
And sir, your most recent visit was in Zamboanga, Sibugay Province. Sir, please share with us what collaborative efforts were established which can be beneficial to both the province of Zamboanga, Sibugay and Indonesia.
And I just noticed that there are some possibilities that can be offered to Zamboanga, Sibugay province. The governor mentioned to me that the rubber plantation or rubber product is number one there, and they would like to have a connection with the Indonesian business people deal with these rubber issues. 80,000 hectares of plantation of rubbers that can be developed with Indonesian. So I already informed our authorities in Jakarta to grab this opportunity so that our relation between Zamboanga, Sibugay and also Indonesia.
Sir, with respect to territorial waters and security, how is the diplomatic relations between the two countries relative to the crossing of borders of Indonesian nationals and Mindanaoans to ensure safe passage, especially among the fisher folk?
Back to 1974, both countries has already agreed to sign the MOU with regard to the border crossing areas between the Indonesia and the Philippines. And as the implementation of these MOUs, Indonesia has 3 border crossing stations. One is in Batu Ganding in Balut Island, one is in Tibanban in General Generoso, and the other one is in Tawi-Tawi. And for the Philippines, they have one in Miangas Island, they have also in Tarakan, and they have also in Marore Islands. So with this border crossing station that we have, it will make easier for the Filipino to cross. You mentioned the fishermen to cross to come to Indonesia, and also for the Indonesian to come to the Philippines. The distance of the sea celibacy, or we call it Sulawesi Sea, is very huge. That's why both countries has also agreed to have the so-called CORPAT, Coordinated Patrol, between the Indonesian Navy and the Philippine Navy to ensure that the movement of the fishermen or other people can, of course, there is a problem. So the smuggling is still there, but again, we try to minimize to make our fishermen or our people from both country can travel through the sea.
We are looking forward to see all the collaborative efforts between Indonesia and Mindanao to prosper, sir. Thank you so much for joining us this morning, Consul General Dicky Fabrian.
Thank you, Jill. Paalam po.
Mga kapuso, chillax sa mo. Mubalik pa ang At Home with GMA Regional TV.
Kini ang At Home with GMA Regional TV.
Best talk tayo mga kapuso, kauban si Attorney Resi Rizada. Resi!
Thanks, Argel! Maayong buntag mga kapuso ug welcome to Bisto. Kadubutaga makauban nato ang one of the newest Kapuso artists. Walilayan pa kundi si Kapusong Gabrielle Han. Maayong buntag, Gabrielle, and welcome sa At Home with GMA Regional TV. How are you?
Hello at good afternoon sa lahat. Maayong buntag sa mga tiga Mindanao. I'm good po. Mabuti naman. I'm working on my career as an actress. So I'm doing a lot of workshops and I'm attending a lot of seminars para maging mabuti akong artista.
That's good to know. And of course, we'd like to welcome you sa GMA. How do you feel to be a Kapuso?
Sobrang saya ko. Tuwang-tuwa po ako kasi para sa akin, napakalaking karangalan yung maging isang GMA artist. So, salamat po talaga GMA. I'm so happy.
And we feel your happiness hanggang dito sa Mindanao. But alam mo ba, Gab, a lot of people are so curious about you. Sa name mo palang Gabrielle Han. Do you have like a foreign blood? And please tell us something about yourself.
Opo, yung lolo ko po, Aleman. So ako, 25% German po. So yun po. A little bit about myself na hindi I speak a little German po. So yun, nakakasalita ako ng konting German. Tapos patuloy rin ako nag-aaral. So yun po.
What is good morning in German?
Guten Morgen.
Ay,
Guten
naku.
Morgen, Attorney Resi.
Parang we'd love to learn a lot of more words from you. But of course, napag-alaman namin, Gab, that you studied pala your master's degree in Germany, tama? Why did you choose Germany?
Well, unang-una po, yung course ko kasi EU. Tapos Germany po is one of the founding members of the European Union. Tapos pangalawa, Germany has one of the greatest educational platforms in the world. So for me, it was a no-brainer. You know, I knew this would be a great school for me, the University of Bonn. So yun po.
And from earning your master's degree in Germany after having earned your bachelor's in Ateneo, you're really a welcome addition sa Kapuso Network. But first, we'd like to know what made you decide naman to pursue a career in showbiz.
Well, pangarap ko talaga maging isang artista. But I started 2 years ago as a print ad model. Tapos, nung pagbalik ko ng Germany this year, I decided to go try commercial modeling. So nag-audition ako and luckily for me, I got my first commercial. Tapos parang after that, sunod-sunod na. 2 months later, I got a call from GMA inviting me to go on to have an audition. Tapos I think I did 3 auditions and then nagustuhan nila ako. So here I am. Here we are.
Ayun, congratulations! And in your future projects naman, Gab, what kind of roles you would like to portray?
I would love to be a part of an action film. Kasi I would love to portray a superhero.
That's really interesting. And of course, your dream leading man.
Yung leading man, syempre, yung leading rin sa industry, tulad ni Alden, or kung papayag si Carla, si Tom.
Ayun, makapapayag naman yung trabaho naman. And of course, excited na kami, lalo na dito sa Mindanao. Ano naman ang mensahe mo ga para sa ating mga kapuso?
Hello po sa lahat ng mga kapuso, mga taga Mindanao. Abangan niyo po ako. Sisikapin ko maging magaling na artista para mapasaya ko po kayong lahat.
Thank you very much, Gab. We're so excited and thank you very much. Welcome to GMA.
Salamat po. Thank you po.
And that was Kapusong Gabrielle Han. Tutok lang mga kapuso kay Mubalik pa ang At Home with GMA Regional TV.
Kini ang At Home with GMA Regional TV.
Mga kapuso, gisugda na sa ubang nasod ang pagpabakuna sa ilang mga healthcare workers ingon man mga residente kontra COVID-19. Ug karong buntaga usa ka nurse nga taga Taguluan, Misamis Oriental nga nagtrabaho sa nasod Amerika ang usa sa mga nabakunahan na sa maong nasod. Atong kamustahon si Michael Ray Ungab nga nakaron sa Peoria City, Illinois, USA. Sir Mike, mayong buntag kanimo og dayon sa At Home with GMA Regional TV. Kamusta?
Maayong buntag mga kapuso, and thank you for inviting me, and it's an honor.
Sir, pila na pud ba ka katuig diha isip nurse og kamusta ang inyong pagpanarbaho?
Here sa Illinois, mag 2 years na ko, but nakatrabaho man pud ko sa Texas o sa Northern Mariana Island, which is a US territory. So sa suma total sa US territory sa America, mainland US, mga 5 years. And so far, okay man ang akong work condition. Dili man sa paghinambog, I work in one of the magnet hospitals, meaning mga medyo maayo na hospitals diri sa Amerika.
Niadtong nagsugod na ang pagbakuna kontra COVID-19, sir, diya sa Amerika, nakadecide ba kadayon nga magpabakuna ka o naapa kay pagduha-duha?
Parehas sad sa uban, it took me a while to make a decision. Kailangan po na ako siya tunan kay lagi bago man ni na bakuna, and kita po mga Pilipino na matay gamay na trauma with regards to vaccine. But after reading through it and daga nagtuon na napadali ni na bakuna kay murag so hadlok ba siya or dili. But I think this is a pandemic, and the government, especially first world countries, have supported the research. Maunang sigurong napadali pod ang resulta ani na research. So medyo it took me a while.
Sir, what made you decide nga magpabakuna na?
A clinical instructor of mine sa Xavier sa una nag-remind sa ako sa akong role as a nurse. Every day gahatag ko health teachings about vaccination. Ako po dapat ang una na motuo, mosalig sa science. So that's why I finally sealed the decision to have myself vaccinated para ipakita sa tanan mga nanagduha-duha ng mga Pilipino, mga kapuso nato, na kanina vaccine safe, buyag-buyag, buhi pa ko, and I'm doing well.
Sir, unsa ba ang prosesong giagian una pa man ka gibakunahan?
Wala man gyud special na moral processes or procedures na among gi-undergo sa vaccination. Gina-update lang mi sa among hospital from time to time kung kanus ang expected na vaccine. We have an email within the organization sa akong gitrabahuan. And then i-update me unsa ang kanus ang schedule, and it's just like a normal vaccination, no. We just went sa amo ramang hospital gihatag ang bakuna, and we just went to the vaccination room, and dito mi gi-injectan, and gitagaan lang mi og mga gi-explainan mi, gitagaan mi og mga papel na naa dito ang mga explanation kung unsa ang expected, unsa mga buhaton, simbako na ay mahitabo na dili maayo. Kani organized man sad na nahimo ning tanan.
Human sa pagturok sa bakuna kanimo, sir, kamusta ang imong kondisyon sa panglawas? Aduna ba kay gibating side effects?
Duhaman ka vaccine ang duhaman ka doses ang COVID, no. Sa primero paghatag nako atong December 18, I received my first dose. Medyo nalay sakit gamay, paminhod sa vaccinated side. And I mean that's my usual po na reaction kay kada tuig man po may gina-vaccinate din sa flu. Usual reaction nako like 24 hours, there's numbness, there's soreness gamay, but after that wala na. Ingon sila mas dagan daw effect ang ang second dose, pero kaluoy sa Ginoo wala gid ko'y gibati na it was not even painful, wala na soreness na ako nagibati. So I'm totally fine so far. In God's grace wala ko'y gibati.
Wa ba kay gibati og kabalaka sir? Labi na katong humana og turok ang bakuna sa imuha?
Wala, mas nalipay ko, mas nahimo kong confident to face the crowd. Labi na ko na naatog ko from time to time mga COVID positive na patients. Mas na ako'y murag I felt like I am protected. So karon kaloy sa Ginoo mura na og makaginawa ko every time I face patients and every time na ako sa mga malls or supermarkets, wala na ko'y paranoia, kay feeling na ako na anak ko'y protection.
Lastly Sir Mike, unsa imong mensahe ngadto sa mga kapuso nga karon aduna pay pagduha-duha labot sa bakuna sa COVID-19?
Kung dili ka magpabakuna na ay risk na pwede ka makasakit through COVID or makatakod sa uban, labi na sa imong pamilya. Kung magpabakuna po ka, na ay risk gamay, there could be a risk, but the thing is, kung nagpabakuna ka, dili lang imong self, imong gi-protect, imo pong malikayan na madala ang sakit sa imuhang pamilya o sa imuhang mga katrabaho, sa imong mga kasilinganan diha sa Pilipinas. And kano sa pamanta maghunong og sige inihapa sa mahimong masakit o mamatay aning COVID. So far, I think this is the best option available for us to finally end this pandemic.
Daghang salamat Sir Mike sa imong oras nga gihatag sa At Home with GMA Regional TV, and keep safe always sir.
Ayong salamat po. My pleasure mga kapuso.
Say naninguha si Consul General Dicky Fabrian nga mas palawman pa ang collaboration sa ilang nasod ug nagkadaiyang mga lugar sa Mindanao pinaagi sa ilang opisina alang sa kalambuan.
Samtang Jill, sama sa uban nga dunay pagduha-duha kaniadto apan mas nipatigbabaw sa OFW nurse nga si Michael Ray Ungab ang pagsalig sa efficacy nga mahatag sa bakuna kontra COVID-19. Busa, nagpabakuna na siya.
Sa mga kapuso, excited na ang newest kapuso artist nga si Gabriel Han sa iyang mga proyekto dinhilang sa Kapusong Istasyon.
Mga kapuso, unta na inspire ug nakakaton kamo sa gi-share sa itong mga bisita karong buntaga. Sama na lang sa panultiho ni Rose Kennedy nga life isn't a matter of milestones but of moments. Mga kapuso, makita pagbalik ang atong episode pinagi sa pagbisita sa www.gmaregionaltv.com. Ug ayaw kalimot, mag-subscribe sa official YouTube channel sa GMA Regional TV.
See you tomorrow mga kapuso, ug always remember that God is good all the time. Ayaw sab kalimot sa pag-smile. Amping!
Stay safe and healthy mga kapuso. Ako si Cyril Chavez.
Kinisab si Argil Relator.
Buong puso para sa kapuso.